Botswana aims to become a world-class hub for cross-border financial and business services into Africa and globally. As one of the affluent economies in Southern Africa with a robust growth outlook, Botswana's wealthy population presents a sizable market for financial services such as banking and insurance relative to other regional economies. Enjoy low corporate tax, zero value-added tax, and be exempt from capital gain and withholding tax and foreign exchange controls. Couple this with favorable policy reforms and a well-regulated financial sector and get high returns on your investment. Be part of our phenomenal growth story. Invest in Botswana. Akola Botswana.